Gardening is a delightful hobby that allows individuals to connect with nature, nurture life, and create a haven of beauty right in their own backyard. Gardening, a passion that has taken root in my heart, is more than just a hobby. It's a source of joy, inspiration, and a profound connection with the natural world. This essay explores the wonders of gardening, detailing the therapeutic, educational, and aesthetic aspects that make it a fulfilling and rewarding pastime. Therapeutic benefits. Gardening is a therapeutic endeavor that provides a respite from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The act of planting seeds, tending to plants, and watching them grow instills a sense of tranquility. The rhythmic tasks involved, such as weeding, watering, and pruning, create a mindful experience that helps alleviate stress and promotes mental well-being. The natural surroundings and the earthy scent of soil contribute to a calming atmosphere, making gardening an excellent stress reliever. Educational value. Engaging in gardening is a continuous learning process. It teaches valuable lessons about the life cycle of plants, the importance of soil health, and the intricate balance of ecosystems. As a gardener, one becomes attuned to the needs of various plant species, learning to identify different pests and diseases and implementing sustainable practices. This hands-on education fosters a deeper appreciation for the environment and encourages a sense of responsibility towards preserving the delicate balance of nature. Connection with nature. Gardening is a direct link to the natural world. It provides an opportunity to observe the miracles of growth and the intricate beauty of flora. Being in tune with the seasons, understanding the impact of sunlight and rainfall, and witnessing the transformation of a tiny seed into a vibrant plant fosters a profound connection with nature. This connection is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also instills a sense of environmental stewardship, encouraging individuals to appreciate and protect the planet. Aesthetic pleasure. One of the most satisfying aspects of gardening is the creation of a visually pleasing space. The colors, shapes, and fragrances of blooming flowers, lush greenery, and well-designed landscapes contribute to a feast for the senses. Gardening allows individuals to express their creativity, whether through meticulous flower arrangements, well-planned vegetable gardens, or the careful selection of ornamental plants. The result is a personal oasis that brings joy not only to the gardener, but also to those who visit and appreciate the beauty of the cultivated space. Conclusion. In conclusion, gardening is a hobby that goes beyond the mere act of planting and tending to plants. It is a holistic experience that nurtures the mind, body, and soul. The therapeutic benefits, educational value, connection with nature, and aesthetic pleasure make gardening a fulfilling and rewarding pursuit. As I continue to cultivate my garden, I am reminded daily of the wonders of the natural world and the joy that comes from playing a small part in its perpetual cycle of growth and renewal.